One topic that gay men often struggle to bring up in therapy is sex. So if that's you, I want to give you 3 ideas that might make you feel a little bit more comfortable about engaging in this topic with your therapist. So the first one is that any exposure can feel charged. So whatever we're talking about, something that is vulnerable or revealing a lot of, intimate information about ourselves, it's normal for us to have some sort of reaction to that. And sex is obviously a topic that can bring that about. So if anything, I would say that if you have zero reaction to talking about your sex life, that's actually probably more, interesting or unusual than someone who has some discomfort around the topic. So just to normalize, anytime you're talking about something that is exposing, it can bring up some emotion or charge to it. The second one would be that even though you're being told that you're in a quote unquote safe space, intellectually, that doesn't necessarily mean that you feel safe. So sure, there's like this implicit belief that I'm with a professional, I'm with someone who can handle these sorts of topics and that sort of thing. But ultimately, you are with another human being, and we all know that people can be judgmental or biased or have reactions. And so it's normal for that human element to enter into the space, even though it's under the guise and the real boundary of professionalism, that you still feel like I am exposing a intimate part of myself and I am worried about being judged in a way that doesn't make me feel safe. And then the third thing is that you always want to think of your reaction as being useful. So rather than trying to dismiss your discomfort or whatever feeling comes up for you, you want to be curious about it because it actually is really useful information. Your reaction to the topic might actually be more useful in the therapeutic process than whatever you have to say about it. So rather than trying to force the discomfort away or force yourself to be comfortable talking about your sex life, you want to actually welcome whatever feeling accompanies the conversation, because that's actually probably going to tell you more than the nitty-gritty details that you have to share. So I hope that is helpful. As always, if you want to talk more with me, learn about my practice and work with me, I'll put the link in the description, and I will see you all in the next one.